course I have to cough right when I turn the camera on. Anyway, greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here at Forest Camp. Be doing an overnighter, sleeping under a tarp with some new gear. So stay tuned to the channel for those videos. If you're not subscribed, I appreciate it if you do so. I hardly ever ask for that, but figured today, why not? It is, actually I don't know what time it is because I took my watch off. I'm sweating like crazy. I am hot. But I've been, working and getting my shelter set and everything else. But anyway, I want to go and check on those morels. So they're literally just right over there, so it's not even a long walk. So I want to see if they're still there and show you where they are. So. Okay, so this one here, you can see where I actually cut it off. And I'm looking around and tripping on everything. I did leave a few unharvested for my return. And I am not seeing any. Good grief. Can't set your camera down anywhere because everything is uneven. Oh. Well, that's too bad. These are the ones I left, and as you can see, they are beyond too far, way too far gone. So I've missed my window. Damn. I actually left a few, but I don't see the others, so. Here is not a morel at all. I'm not sure what kind it is. Could be a death cap. That would suck. Shoot. Yeah, it's like July. It's June, what, 25th today? 24th, I think? 24th. So, I missed my window. I'll have to wait till next year. But I know right where to go. I can harvest more morels. Darn it. Oh well. Thanks for watching.